Alrighty, it's about 10 minutes of 5, 32 degrees, still coming down like crazy. See if I can catch up with the boys, they're walking the dogs. And I'm pointed towards the northeast, that is where the snow seems to be coming from. The ground is not frozen, so it feels kind of soft. We're not supposed to have standing water here. Hi, Casey!
Hi, Mom!
Hi, Judah! Whoa. There's the dogs!
Say hi! Hey, Mom!
Hey, what? What? Look at that knot of... Casey's afraid the dogs will run to the street. There's the street. Casey's...
Finally climbed Mount Everest! Oh, come on!
That one's bigger! Look at that knot. Casey's definitely afraid the dogs will run into the street, so he...
I needed you late. That was not deep enough.
That's got to be cold, buddy.
What, snow in my face or
Oh, they'll be walking in that cold water. Those aren't winter water boots, those are...
My feet are perfectly nice.
There's those feet.
Size 15!
Yes, they are. There's Rat Dog!
Yo! Hey,
Oh.
I'm king of the mountain!
There we go.
Oh!
There you go.
Now I want to be king of the snowball!
Nobody's disputing you here, are they? Okay. This is a good show, buddy. Keep on going. Ooh, no gloves.
no? Okay. Ow! Snow in my eye.
Woo! I'm king of the ball! That's what she said!